He's coming back.
Right now.
Ah!
That's my buddy.
That's your buddy?
Okay, now we're about to go on the water.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of... Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm gonna fall through. I can swim, I'll be fine. Oh my goodness.
With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Two fingers, Mom. Slimy. Yesterday we went to the zoo lights, and it was the first weekend for the Columbus Zoo to have the zoo lights on. They do it every year, every winter. They just take down all the Halloween lights and decorations and put up Christmas ones. And it was just so beautiful. You can come at night and walk around everywhere. The only difference this year, like especially during the COVID times, was that you had to make reservations. We went in and I could actually hear people asking, do you have a reservation to come in the zoo? Because they're trying to monitor how many people are coming in and out of the location. And people that didn't have reservations were actually turned away and like had to go home, which sucked because like from where I live, it's a 15-20 minute drive to the zoo. And at night, and everyone had to like find parking and stuff, and to do all that and not be able to be let in is quite annoying. But you do have to do your research on attractions like that during this time of COVID to know if they're having any kind of restrictions or special guidelines, and they are. It's you have to make a reservation, you have to wear your mask, and they want people to social distance and stuff while at the zoo. And they didn't have a lot of the animals out and things like that, but you can walk around a lot of the attraction, a lot of the park, and see everything. We saw stingrays. We got to touch them in the touch tanks. We saw, what was it? Like miniature kangaroos and like a bunch of other animals that were out. We saw some seals and things like that, like swimming around. But like the elephants and stuff, we didn't see them. Or yeah, there wasn't too many animals out at night because a lot of them were sleeping and things like that. But it was still a lot of fun. I will say that the zoo lights are a lot more fun when it snows, because it's just so much prettier when all the snow is on the ground. It's really a fun winter attraction when the snow is coming down, and it just makes the scene so perfect. It's really beautiful, and I think everyone should at least go to the zoo lights at least once. I've been a few times, but I haven't been in years, so this year it was a lot of fun to go and to be outside before like heavy snow comes. Like we had snowfall, but it melted, so it is what it is. I got my COVID testing results back, and I am negative for COVID-19. I got an email saying that my results were ready, so I just logged in to that Pixel website that I showed you the box from, and I went to my results page, and it said negative, and it told me I did not show signs of whatever the thing was. So that was really easy, and I didn't have to wait for like something to be mailed to me or anything. It was all electronic, all in one place. So I'm really glad that I was able to do that. My friend in Italy, they said that they just got like a text saying that they were negative as well for COVID-19. So that went straight to their phone, and they didn't have to wait for any snail mail or anything like that. I'm glad that COVID test results are quickly being returned to the people doing the testing in like the most convenient ways, like email and text, push notifications, and things like that. So I really appreciate that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start decorating my house for Christmas. I'm so excited. Morning! Today is the day I'm putting up all my Christmas stuff, and I'm so excited because Christmas is one of my most favorite holidays ever, and I don't tend to go with the the normal red and green Christmas stuff. I like fuchsias, blues, pinks, purples, greens, and things like that. So you're gonna see lots of colors in all my decorations and things like that. And I'm gonna be on the lookout for some new stockings when I go to stores like throughout the month for the puppies, because I have like these little gift bags that I put out on the mantle for them, but I want them to get bigger stockings so I can more things in them, and I gotta find the right ones that will fit their personalities and stuff like that. And every year I get my dog's ornaments, and so this is gonna be Shindo, the bigger dog's first year with us during Christmas, and so I'm really excited about getting his first ornament. And Yuki, this will be like his what? This will be his 8th ornament, because he's been with me for so long. So I'm gonna be on the hunt throughout the month of December for the ornaments that will best fit them as well. So let's get started decorating. I'm excited. This is my like one half of my Christmas storage decoration things. I love this thing. It's really for gift wrap paper, but it holds all of my tinsel garland and all the other stuff. This is perfect. And today I'm gonna unleash everything in here for my Christmas decorations. Let's get started.